Situated in the north of Namibia at the farm Zargberg near Otavi, you'll find one of the most technologically advanced cement plants of its kind in Africa. Ohorongo Cement was established by the Schwenk family from Germany, which has successfully produced cement for more than 170 years. The word Ohorongo means kudu in the Otjiherero language. To date, in excess of 3.5 billion Namibian dollars were invested in this cement plant. The plant was constructed using the best available and most modern technology available. This makes the Ohorongo cement plant one of the most technologically advanced cement production facilities in Africa. Utilizing such modern technology minimizes Ohorongo's impact on the environment. Production started at the beginning of 2011. The availability of most of the raw materials in the Ohorongo quarry ensures sustainable production for more than 300 years. All additional raw materials required to produce the cement are sourced within Namibia, making Ohorongo one of the few production facilities that adds 100% value to the country. This makes Ohorongo cement a truly Namibian product. But let's have a closer look at how cement is made. This is a schematic presentation of the whole cement manufacturing process. Raw materials such as limestone, shale and marl are collected at the quarry and transported to the crusher. From here, it is conveyed to the mixing bed, where it is mixed to a homogeneous material. Additives such as high-grade limestone, sand and iron ore are added and then conveyed to the raw mill, where it is dried and ground to a fine powder. Now the raw meal is transferred to the preheater. Here the material is preheated, after which it enters the rotary kiln, where it is burned to produce clinker. The clinker is cooled down with air in a grate cooler and then stored in the clinker silo. Additives such as gypsum and limestone are added to the clinker before being milled in the cement mills to the final cement product. The cement powder is stored in the cement silos. From here, the final stage is the bagging or bulk dispatch of the cement. The most important raw materials for the production of cement are limestone, shale and marl, which are available in large quantities in the quarries of Ohorongo. The other ingredients such as iron ore and gypsum are obtained from local Namibian mines, supporting the growth-at-home policy of the Namibian government. The limestone, shale and marl is loaded onto haul trucks with a loading capacity of 60 tons each. These raw ingredients are transported in specified ratios to the crusher, where they are ground to the consistency of rough gravel. The crusher can handle 600 tons of raw materials per hour. The crushed limestone, shale and marl are conveyed to the mixing bed, where it is mixed to a homogeneous material. The homogenization store has a radius of 81 meters and a height of 28 meters, and has a blending bed which can handle 25,000 tons of mixed materials. The chemical composition of the material is carefully monitored to ensure that it contains the correct proportions of limestone, shale and marl. A small proportion of corrective materials are added to the mixture if the proportions differ from those specified by the quality department. Essential additives such as iron ore are added to the homogenized limestone, shale and marl material, and this mixture is then conveyed to the raw mill, where it is ground to a powder with the consistency of fine flour, known as raw meal. While being ground, the mixture is dried by means of the excessive heat generated from the pyro process. The materials for clinker production are milled using roller mills instead of the traditional ball mills. The roller mills save about 30% on the total electrical power consumption compared to traditional ball mills. The raw meal is tested once again to ensure that the chemical composition is correct in terms of the quality directives. Once the raw meal has passed the tests in the laboratory, it is conveyed to the preheater. The preheater at 109 meters high is one of the highest structures in Namibia. The raw meal silo has a capacity to store 7,000 tons of raw meal powder. The raw meal is preheated and pre-calcined in a state-of-the-art suspension preheater with a calciner before it enters the rotary kiln. The pre-calcination process significantly shortens the actual burning process of transforming raw meal into clinker, saving time and energy. Once the raw material has been processed in the preheater, it enters the 54 meters long rotary kiln, where the material is burned to clinker at temperatures in excess of 1,450 degrees Celsius. The rotary kiln can produce 2,100 tons of clinker per day. The clinker is now cooled down by using a method of air quenching in a grate cooler. After the cooling process, the clinker is stored in a clinker silo with a capacity of 55,000 tons. The clinker is dosed with an appropriate quantity of gypsum and extended with high-grade limestone. Limestone extension significantly reduces the carbon footprint of the cement products. Finally, the mixture is milled to cement by using 2 cement mills. Each cement mill can produce up to 65 tons per hour. Ohorongo currently manufactures 5 different kinds of cement products, which are stored in different cement silos. The 3 main cement storage silos each has a capacity of 7,500 tons. This ensures the continuous availability of all Ohorongo cement products. In 2016, Ohorongo invested into an additional composite cement plant and an additional packing line. The new production unit allows Ohorongo to produce and supply Namibia with various additional types of consistently high-quality cement. While the new packaging line increased the packaging of cement from the current 4,400 bags per hour to 6,800 bags per hour. In addition to the packaging line, Ohorongo has also installed a 2-ton big bag filling station for special projects aimed at optimizing logistics. The cement produced at Ohorongo is dispatched and delivered in 50-kilogram cement bags, 2-ton bulk bags, as well as in bulk cement tankers. Robotic machines count and stack the 50-kilogram bags on a pallet in batches of 40 bags per pallet. Thereafter, it is shrink-wrapped for additional protection against weather conditions. Finished cement products are available from the Zargberg plant, as well as from various depots throughout Namibia. Bulk cement is available in loose form and is transported via road, rail, and sea. The company mainly focuses on supplying the Namibian market. However, it also exports to southern Angola, Botswana, Zambia, and the DRC. Ohorongo is proud to have been a cement supplier to big projects like the Nekatol Dam, the Walvis Bay Harbour, the St. Helena Airstrip and Wharf, and Sioma Bridge, Zambia, amongst others. Every step of the entire production process at Ohorongo Cement Plant, from the quarry to dispatch, is continuously monitored and controlled by highly qualified personnel in the control room. When required, any part of the cement making process can be adjusted immediately. This is to ensure that the highest quality standards are met and to ensure absolute customer satisfaction. All cement produced at Ohorongo is SABS approved according to SANS 50197-1. It is also certified by the Namibian Standards Institute, NSI. Besides the control room, there is also a fully equipped chemical and physical laboratory. Samples of intermediate and final products are taken at different stages of the cement manufacturing process and analyzed in the laboratory to ensure consistent quality. The laboratory consists of 11 sampling stations, which handles more than 140 samples per day, 7 days a week. Each cement type produced at Ohorongo is subjected to an array of tests to ensure consistent world-class performance. The quality management system at Ohorongo is ISO 9001 certified. We have now witnessed the complete cement manufacturing process. But why is the Ohorongo cement plant so unique? Cement produced by Ohorongo is of the highest international standards and is a 100% Namibian manufactured product. In other words, all raw ingredients come from within Namibia. Nothing is imported. Ohorongo's environmental management system is ISO 14001 certified. Ohorongo is equipped with the most sophisticated dust abatement technology in the world. This enables the cement manufacturing plant to keep the levels of air pollution below internationally benchmarked limits. The Ohorongo cement plant is also unique in a sense that it can replace hard coal by up to 80% with alternative fuels such as Namibian wood chips, charcoal fines, and refuse-derived fuel RDF, which also has a huge environmental benefit to Namibia. This is the Ohorongo cement plant, one of the most modern plants in Africa, which can produce in excess of 1 million tons of cement per annum and create more than 280 direct job opportunities and an estimated 2,100 indirect job opportunities via downstream activities and support services. Ohorongo Cement. Cementing trust, building futures.